Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy hot tomato sauce. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick weeknight meal or a delicious pasta dish. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients, focusing on ripe, juicy tomatoes. You'll be amazed at how much flavor you can achieve with just a few basic items from your pantry and garden. Let's get cooking. Now that our ingredients are ready, let's begin the preparation. First, roughly chop your beautiful tomatoes. Then, finely dice 1 small onion and mince 2 cloves of garlic to release their aromatic flavors. Don't forget to thinly slice your red chili. Remember, you can remove the seeds if you prefer a milder sauce. Heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large saucepan, getting it ready for our aromatics. Once your oil is hot, add the diced onion, minced garlic, and sliced chili to the pan. Sauté these aromatics for about 5 minutes until the onion is soft and translucent, filling your kitchen with a wonderful aroma. Next, stir in your chopped tomatoes, along with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook for 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. After simmering, your sauce is almost ready. Now, you can use an immersion blender or a potato masher to achieve your preferred consistency, from chunky to smooth. Give it a taste and adjust the seasonings, adding a little more salt or a pinch of chili if you like. Finally, stir in a handful of fresh basil leaves, torn or chopped, right before serving. Enjoy your homemade hot tomato sauce. It's perfect with pasta, on pizza, or as a flavorful dipping sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.